Viernig, Urban, Immerschwur, Viernig, Urban, Viernig,
This project aims to create a new kind of song cycle. I've been interested in evoking landscape and a sense of place in my work, so we'll be making use of field recordings and regional dialects, as well as a whole range of texts, poetic, scientific, contemporary and ancient. Chris might play this as well as that. It's a question, so there can be some really low chord stuff. And of course, if you've got an octave divided thing, and in this instance, we have taken the idea of a mountain stream, the flow of water, the sound that makes, and all the different words that you have in different parts of the UK for a stream, whether it be a brook or a beck or a burn. And nowhere has this been better described than in some of Nan Shepherd's writing.
One hears it without listening, as one breathes without thinking. But to a listening ear, the sound disintegrates into many different notes. The slow slap of a loch, the high clear rill of a rivulet, the roar of a spate. On one short stretch of burn, the ear may distinguish a dozen notes at once.
I spoke to Colin a few months ago about starting a new project, and I'd read this book by Robert Macfarlane, Landmarks, that I was really intrigued by, partly because of a different project I'd started about Oxfordshire, and started thinking about accents and just people, sort of archive audios of people talking about where they were from, and place. So we sort of, it overlapped with Colin having read some of his books.
Robert Macfarlane and I have been discussing this project a little bit, and I contacted Rob about a possible musical collaboration.
The path leads you on, the forest crowds the path, sometimes to the point of invisibility. And it's not that they're exactly opposites, each needs the other to define itself, but if the path is to do with navigation, orientation and decision, the forest is to do with, I guess, confrontation and disorientation.
Dialect can provide a sort of backbone and inspiration for an actual melody, something about the rise and fall, something about the speed of certain words, as well as the actual sort of colour of the consonants and vowels.
This is the river, water, that strong white stuff. One of the 4 elemental mysteries can here be seen at its origins. Like all profane mysteries, it is so simple that it frightens me. It wells from the rock and flows away. For unnumbered years it has welled from the rock and flows away. It does nothing, absolutely nothing, but be itself.
It new creates the tune. It sings. Singing one song, singing one song.
I think we've got the colours that could make it something quite unsettling, as well as at times being quite pastoral and at times being very reflective, but there's this ghostliness to it and there's this unquietness, which I think is the nub of it.
Just got to get on and write it now.
Yeah, good.
Cut. All
Cut.
right.